In the heart of what was once neon and noise, life speaks again through living cells that remember their light. When gold lost its shine, life became the new currency, traded not in numbers, but in light.
The heart of a nation beats again, not in marble or power, but in roots and sunlight.
Raw vegan living keeps the human body young because living cells rebuild themselves through the light they still hold.
Where stone once honored power, life now honors light, the living breath of the earth itself.
Biophotons carry the data and awareness of every cell. Raw vegan food keeps those photons alive, unbroken lines of living light.
Cooking destroys the light inside the cell. Raw food preserves its photons, the microscopic life energy that feeds our own living system.
Their raw plant living keeps the body and spirit youthful. The city breathes again with living cells filled with light.
Life feeds on life, not on memory. The light returns to all who choose the living path.
Beneath the hills where fame once ruled, new stars rise, born from living soil. Bridges once carried engines of smoke.
Eaters do not prepare food in their kitchens, they prepare sickness. Here, living food is shared in the open air, under a bridge reborn in sunlight and vine. Energy harvested from the sky, nourishment grown from the soil, given freely.
All right, so lemon hits at the end.
That's amazing.
Here, try with the berries after, trust me. I'm in. Cheers, y'all.
To eat the living light is to speak the language of life. Biophotons passing hand to hand.
The first person to discover raw veganism.
Arshavir Hovhannissian reminded humanity, life must feed on life cells, not dead cells.
Fire once shaped the earth. Light now shapes the soul. 3 generations, one timeless current of life. The living never age, they simply continue. Raw vegan life restores the body through living cells. Each leaf, each fruit still holds its biophotons, the light that keeps our cellular data alive.
The cure was never found in walls or drugs. It was growing in plain sight, in the living light of every cell.
Arshavir Hovhannissian discovered that living cells emit coherent light, biophotons, the foundation of cellular awareness. His work redefined food as a form of consciousness. Today, within this archive, his vision continues to illuminate the living world.
Raw vegan life teaches coexistence. When we no longer consume death, all beings share one breath of living harmony.
Freedom found its roots again, this time in the soil.
Even the stones remember how light once lived, and through us, it lives again.
New civilization began with a forgotten idea that life must feed on living cells. Arshavir Hovhannissian's raw eating became the cornerstone of the post-industrial era, where health, ethics, and consciousness finally aligned with nature.
In the heart of the new earth, every cell celebrates, alive, aware, eternal.
When every cell remembers its own light, the earth itself begins to dream again.